Hi, I'm Dean Heckler. We're here at the Heckler booth at ISE, showing off the Heckler Express Install Rolling Stand. This is a stand specifically designed for small rooms. The stand is basically the size of an office chair, so any room can be deployed with Microsoft Teams in an hour by one person by just kicking out a chair away from a meeting room table and rolling this stand up in its place. It's compatible with 43-inch to 55-inch displays. Any video bar can be mounted here. Tap controller down below that can be removed and moved to the table. Around back is a compartment. Plenty of mounting space for power strip, PoE adapter, any extra cabling you have. To learn more about this, go to heckler.com. Thank you.